This is how you insert a table of contents in Microsoft Word. First, go to the body of the text and apply the styles for your headings. Click on a heading, go to Home. Within Home, you have Styles, and select a heading style. You have a whole bunch of styles. I'm going to select this one, and within this, I have a heading 2, and that's another topic, heading 2. And this one is another heading. Okay, once you have applied the styles to your headings, click where you want to insert the table of contents. I want to insert the table of contents over here. I'm going to click here, and I'll go into references. Within references, I have table of contents, and then you have these 3 options. Select either the first one or the second one. So I'm going to go ahead and select the second one. Click. And there you go, you have your table of contents. Now, in case, let's say I want to take this to a separate page, I'll say insert, and I would like to take this to a separate page. Okay, now if you want to update the page numbers, all you have to do is click here and click on update table and say I want to update the entire table, or you just want to update the numbers. Then you go ahead and select the first option. In this case, I'm going to say the entire table, update the entire table. Click on this one. Okay, and everything is updated. And this is how you insert a table of contents in Microsoft Word. Thank you.